Hey, what is up, you? I'm being choked to death by a snake. You have infinite muscles, but this is my neck. What is up, YouTube? In all honesty, though, Dragon didn't kill me at all. I thought he was gonna kill me for a second, but really, he's a pretty good pet. He is actually my gopher snake, also known as blow snake, and he's probably about 4 feet long. Pretty amazing little creature right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys 3 reasons why I think Tezos will explode in 2020. So let's get right into this. Alright, so 3 reasons why I think Tezos will explode in 2020. By the way, if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button so you guys can get 5 crypto videos a week. You guys can always make suggestions on video ideas in the comment section below. Also, really, if you just want to say something crazy like why the heck do you have a giant pet snake, you can let me know down there as well. But today's video is really going to be all about, hey, little guy, Dragon, first of all, my pet snake. And second of all, 3 reasons why Tezos will explode in 2020, or why I think Tezos will explode in 2020. The first reason that I would love to point out to you guys is the Elliott wave structure. As you guys know, Elliott waves is a huge part of my trading plan on a regular basis. And with Tezos specifically, we see some very clean Elliott wave structure. Since 2018, we have an A, B, C correction down to these lows of 26 cents. And that really created the first wave in a new Elliott structure. So that means that we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse waves. So right here we have a 1, 2, and we're going to see a 3, 4, 5 impulse wave out of this. Now, you guys, Tezos is currently valued at about $1.75. In the 5th wave, it wouldn't surprise me at all if we get up towards $5. Now, what really will confirm this move is a breakout of resistance, and our resistance level is about $1.86. So you guys, we're really freaking close to breaking out on Tezos right now, which is why I'm making this video, because I see this as an urgent time to be watching Tezos, accumulating it. And people are like, well, there's green candlesticks. Aren't I FOMOing? No, because you're buying the dip in between a 2 wave and getting prepared for a 3 wave. Obviously, if we see a red candle before the breakout, buy on that red candle, because it's always smarter to buy on red candles than on green candles. But overall, we're still below major resistance, and we have a lot of upside to go and a lot of volume to confirm that we are very likely going to see that move come towards upward pointing growth with Tezos. So this isn't necessarily FOMOing in any way whatsoever, especially since what I'm about to tell you, which is the second reason why I think Tezos will be a great investment in 2020 and is a great one to even be picking up today in 2019. So this right here is our percentage tool. If we go over to the left hand side, we can grab price range, and then we can measure from the peak of the market. Let's just go ahead and get this chart going here. Oh, apparently it thought I was clicked already. Measure from the peak of the market down. We had a 97% drop in Tezos, you guys. Now, if you go look at what happened to Amazon.com in the internet bubble, you will actually find that Amazon retraced like 90+% in its first market cycle. A lot of coins and stocks that are preparing for long-term, really big growth curves, meaning that we're going to see a lot less of this super spike up, super spike down, and a lot more of a realistic long-term growth curve. They often see a pretty brutal first cycle because they're small, you know, it doesn't have a big market cap yet. not a ton of people. I mean, people are starting to wake up about cryptocurrency, but we're still in the early adoption phases, to be quite frankly honest with you. And so because of that, kiss him. We are by the way, if you guys are a snake lover, go ahead and hit that like button. If you don't like snakes, comment down below and be like, what the heck, Dallin? What are you doing with a snake in your goddamn video? But yeah, I love snakes. I always have since I was little. So crypto has this long-term growth curve. We've retraced a large amount, meaning that, like I said, this isn't really FOMOing because we're 90+% down from the peak of its last cycle. A bigger, more long-term growth curve is what I expect to happen in the Tezos market. And we are really starting to set up for the price action that will do that for us. Okay, now for the number 3 main reason. And this is honestly one of the biggest reasons that I think Tezos will do well in 2020. This is volume profile. We currently have rising volume, quite significant rising volume, and rising prices, along with trend analysis. Now, when you're testing trends, you want to look for a low. You find a low, and then you want to look for a higher high and a higher low, and then you want to see another higher high. So what do we see in Tezos right now? We are actually forming this exact pattern. We made a low, a little double bottom pattern breakout, and then we made a higher high, and then we made a higher low, and we're going for the higher high right now. So this actually means that we are creating a trend, an upward pointing trend, and we have the volume to back that, which is really amazing, you guys. We have the strength in our volume profiles to back that trend that we are forming currently. If you guys haven't checked out the Tezos website, you can go to coinmarketcap.com, which is an amazing resource. Shout out to coinmarketcap.com. I have been using them since 2016 and truly am impressed with their interface and everything that they've put together and all the work that they put into this, because it is really a great website. And if we go over to Tezos, you can click and you'll see that Tezos is number 10 in total market cap right now. So it's been rising through the ranks. And you can actually take away the Bitcoin price and take away the price on the US dollar, and you'll see that the market cap is looking very bullish as well. And then we can go over to the website and check out what their website looks like. I have made a video on Tezos in the past. I think it was titled, "Don't Buy Tezos Until You Watch This Video." But Tezos is a great institutional grade smart contract platform. So smart contracts are contracts that are made on the blockchain where either money won't be released until the goods or services are completed, or where the money won't be released until the job is completed. It's a better way of handling contracts. It allows it so that you don't have to trust people as much. Instead, we can trust the technology that we have around people to go ahead and make for a lot more sensible transactions with less need for lawyers and court cases where the money didn't get released or the job wasn't done. It's all can be held within smart contracts, public ledgers on the blockchain. So Tezos is an institutional grade smart contract platform, which is really awesome and something that I am indeed watching myself. Like I said, you guys, Tezos has 3 great reasons that it should explode in 2020. So to recap, the first reason is our ABC correction starting from the beginning of the year, ABC correction, and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave Elliott structure that could take us well above $5. And secondly, we are seeing a very, very nice retrace in price, over 90% drop in the market. Like I said, this happened to a lot of internet stocks after the internet bubble crash, right before they went onto these huge long-term growth curves where the real long-term, more stable, less risky money was made. And examples of that would be Amazon.com and a few others I can't think right off the top of my head. But we have also the trend analysis and volume profile. We're making higher highs. We're about to make another higher high, and we're making higher lows to confirm the price action. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and smash up that like button for me if you guys learned something from it or got some value out of it. Comment down below if you like my snake, dragon, or even if you don't like him. Let me know what's up, and hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Also, you guys, Discord links in the description below if you want to become part of the community. There's new people in there every single day. I will see you guys in the next videos. As always, stay profitable out there.